la classe. Aujourd'hui, nous allons étudier le passé composé des verbes réguliers. Hello class, today we are going to be studying the passé composé of regular ER, IR, and RE verbs. First, we're going to learn what this tense means. Second, we're going to learn how to form it for regular verbs. And third, we're going to do some sample sentences together. Please remember, you may pause this video at any time if you need a little extra time to write down your notes. There are two major tenses used to express past events in French, the imperfect tense and the passé composé tense. We will be looking at the difference between these two tenses in a future video. The passé composé is used to express a completed action that took place at a specific point in time in the past. Depending on the context, the French passé composé can be seen as equivalent to either the simple past or present perfect simple tenses in English. For example, depending on the context, the phrase j'ai parlé can be translated as either I talked or I have talked. The passé composé is composed of two parts, an auxiliary or helping verb conjugated in the present tense, and a past participle. Most verbs use the auxiliary verb avoir in the passé composé, although some verbs use être. You will be learning which verbs use être in a future video. The first thing you need to do when you conjugate a verb in the passé composé is to conjugate the helping verb avoir or être in the present tense. Let's go ahead and do this for the helping verb avoir. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. To finish conjugating our verb in the passé composé, we need to find the past participle. Fortunately, this is very easy to do for regular ER, IR, and RE verbs. For regular ER verbs, simply remove R from the infinitive and add an accent aigu over the E. For example, the verb parler becomes parler. Remember, when you have an accent aigu, the E aigu is pronounced like A. For regular IR verbs, simply remove R from the infinitive. For example, the verb finir becomes fini. Regular RE verbs are the most difficult of the three. For these verbs, you need to remove the RE from the infinitive and add the letter U. For example, vendre becomes vendu. Are you ready to put it all together? Let's go back to our present tense conjugation of the helping verb avoir. Now, all we need to do is add on the past participles. Let's start with the past participle of the regular ER verb chanter. J'ai chanté, tu as chanté, il a chanté, elle a chanté, on a chanté, nous avons chanté, vous avez chanté, ils ont chanté, elles ont chanté. Faisons la même chose avec le verbe choisir. J'ai choisi, tu as choisi, il a choisi, elle a choisi, nous avons choisi, vous avez choisi, ils ont choisi, elles ont choisi. Finalement, utilisons le verbe perdre. J'ai perdu, tu as perdu, il a perdu, elle a perdu, on a perdu, nous avons perdu, vous avez perdu, ils ont perdu, elles ont perdu. Bien, maintenant faisons des exemples. I studied at the library. J'ai étudié à la bibliothèque. Numéro 2. He passed the test. Il a réussi à l'examen. Numéro 3. The students answered all the questions. Les étudiants ont répondu à toutes les questions. Bien, aujourd'hui vous avez appris le passé composé régulier. Please remember, to finish mastering this new tense, you need to complete the online interactive activities right next to this video. Bon courage et à bientôt.